Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and in this video I'll be doing a recap of the trades that I took in the past week. Today when I'm recording this video, this is Sunday morning, 12:13 a.m. on the 17th of November. So I want to show you the trades I took between the 10th to 16th of November in this weekly trade review. Now let's get to our chart. Okay, I think I need to refresh this. Now this week was particularly good for me. I had a lot of positive wins. I had good wins in the market. Well, not every week will be like that. Do you understand? But the goal is to prepare yourself to take advantage of the upside so that the downside can take care of itself rather. Do you understand? So I will just begin to show you step by step some of the trades that I took this week in the course of the week, so that you could learn one or two lessons from the way I trade. Now, if you've been seeing my results, my trading results, either you're on my WhatsApp channel, you are viewing my status, and you want me to mentor you, all you need to do is send me a message. Okay, send me a message saying I want you to mentor me, and I will mentor you. Now, it's not that deep, it's just as simple as that. Now let's get into the purpose of today's video. Okay, I think I started this week with a sell trade on VIX 25. That was on Sunday. I think I saw that market had gotten to a high point here and was falling, so I picked that trade around here and I wrote it. I was trailing stop loss. I trailed when it formed a lower high here, I trailed stop loss there, and when it fell to a lower high, so I think it came back and took me out. But I was quite busy that particular Sunday. I had an event, so I couldn't watch the market to look out for a re-entry, and I was out of the market, so I didn't see this move happen. Okay, I didn't see this move happen. But during the course of the week, on the higher time frame, on H4 time frame, I saw that. Okay, let's look at H4 together. 4 hour. On the H4 time frame, I was seeing a bearish move. This particular bearish move. But when I drilled down to the 15 minutes time frame, I didn't really like the choppy move I was seeing. See, it was going down, it was bearish, but it was quite choppy, and I didn't like that move. Okay, now one thing you must learn when you're trying to trade is do not overtrade. What is overtrading? Overtrading simply means overtrading is not taking too much of trades. Okay, in the literal terms, it means just taking trades that are not in your trading plan. Okay, you do not, when you say a trade that is not in your trading plan, even if the market is trending, you're not supposed to trade. Okay, so according to my trading plan, I marked this area as an area that I expected price to. Okay, I forgot to tell you that from this move that I was showing you earlier, this move I made about, I think it was the year it got to $20 from where I entered, but the retracement took me out on about $9 or something. You get what I'm saying, right? So I expected market to react at this level, and on Wednesday it started reacting at this level, and I saw it was a signal to enter. Okay, so I entered the trade here and I held it until Thursday. There it hit my TP here. I put my TP at the first high on the 4-hour time frame. I put my TP at the first high on the 4-hour time frame. So from where I entered to here, it gave me about $52 in profit on the lowest lot size. That was a trade that I entered with just $1.5. There was another high that was to be taken here on the higher time frame, but I had spent too much time in that trade and I didn't want to wait, so I closed it. I set my TP here. Though later on it went on to close out at this high. Okay, it went on to close out at this high, and that was a very, very beautiful trade. If you are in my WhatsApp channel, if you're following my status, you will see that this was one of the trades that I posted that took me from $1.5 to about $55. So that was that on VIX 25 S. Okay, that was that on VIX 25S. Now at the moment I have some positions running. I have a position running on VIX 51S, and if you can see my screen, look around here. I'm in about $64 profit now, and I entered this trade with just also $1.5, if I'm correct. That's the average amount that I use in trading. Now let's look at another trade that I entered. I think I was also in VIX 51S, and VIX 51S blessed me this week. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, VIX 51S blessed me big this week. So what I do basically when I want to trade is I don't trade impulsively. I plan my trade, and once my trading criteria is set, I go into the market with what I do is picking high probability trades. Okay, I go into the market because I know that I would have a high probability trade. So on Sunday, the beginning of this week, earlier, I think on Saturday night when I was doing my analysis for the week, I expected market to, let's check out the 5 minutes, to react off this zone that I marked here. Okay, beautiful. To react off this zone that I marked here, right? They can't show me up to this place because of the limit of derivative trading view. So when market came down to this place, I took the entry and it went into profit. Mind you, the time I took this trade was exactly the same time that I took, a few minutes after I taken VIX 2025. Okay, so the equity from that account was able to fund this particular trade. You get what I'm saying, right? So I rolled it to around here. That was like $60. When this trade started on Sunday afternoon, and around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 2 p.m. thereabout, and it continued well into Monday. Okay, so when I saw the break of structure of this retracement, I chickened out. I tried chickened out. Where is it again? Yeah, Okay, yeah, I chickened out and I thought the retracement was going to be deep, because sometimes the retracement is always deep. So I chickened out and I took out my profits. I took out my profit somewhere around there. That was like $40. Mind you, from year to year was about $60 in profit. Okay, so I took out my profit on Monday midday around this place. But after it touched this level, it found support and began to rally. So when it began to rally, I entered again around here and I held it. I was hoping to hold it to full TP, but when it got here, it started doing a major retracement and I closed out at $20 again. So 40 plus 20, that's $60. Now, I've been saying that most assets in the volatility indices market, they are following a repeatable pattern. Okay, this pattern that formed on VIX 51S when it was doing the bullish move, I've seen it form on about 2 other patterns on the asset that I'm trading. That tells you that the market are factor. What you see in one place in the market, you will surely see in another place. So you want to master and give attention to whatever it is that you are trading. So by and large, I chickened out again and I stopped looking at VIX 51S. But as you can see, it later went on and ate the take profit So if I had held this trade from year to year, that would have been $120 made from my $1.5. I'll have made about $120 from my $1.5. Okay, so even when it hits TP, when it hit my TP, market continued going on, but I didn't see structure. Okay, I didn't see structure, so I didn't enter I didn't enter the trade. I think I was waiting for a sale from that high, but I didn't see a sale, so I just chilled out. I made quite good money from that trade, that asset over the week, so I wasn't really bothered. Now, Friday, this is Sunday already, Friday in the evening, I just decided to look at the trade again, and I found out that it had found supports at this level. Wow. So I went in, okay, it has actually found support and had bounced. It had actually bounced up. It had actually bounced off of that level, and I got in around it. Now, let's go to my MT5, you'll see that I'm currently in on that trade. Okay, so I got in somewhere around the Friday night, and I was holding that trade. Okay, so I've been holding the trade since Friday. I'm expecting it to hit my TP. Where is TP? TP from my entry. If I hold it to full TP, that will be $130 from here again. So the market is really paying, guys. $130 plus $120. That's like $250 on a lowest lot size, on the lowest lot size account with just $1.5. So you will see that when the move started, it gave a very good impulsive move, retraced a bit, gave us a higher high, and retraced deeper. Now, if you remember what I told you earlier, the market is forming repeatable patterns. What happened here? See, this very impulsive move, retracement, a more impulsive move, a larger impulsive move, giving us an higher high, and a bigger retracement. It's the same thing happening here. Impulse, retracement, another impulse, a deeper retracement. And so when I saw this happen earlier yesterday on Saturday, I was out. I wasn't really bothered because I had entered from here, so I knew that I was still in deep profit. And the only reason why I would close that trade is if it comes to take out this low. Okay, so since this deep retracement did not take out this low, it meant that the uptrend was still confirmed. So I told myself, if that retracement, no matter how deep it is, if it doesn't take out this low, I will still be in that trade. So my trading stop was below this higher low, as you can see here. So I entered here. My trading stop was here before, was around this place. Then market was going. So I knew that if it didn't come here, I'm not going out of that trade. So it came. It did a lot of drama. Then it shot up again. And as you can see, it's doing a retracement around there. After this retracement, I expect a very bullish move to go back and close at TP. So I will still be holding this into the week to see what it goes. My stop loss is trailed on this pair, and I'm expecting it to go and hit my profit target. The third trade I looked at and I took entries on was VIX 25 1S. Now, I like VIX 25 1S a lot. I like it a lot. But VIX 25 1S, I didn't really do well on it this week, to just be very honest. Okay, so that same Saturday night, last week Saturday, I forecasted that market was going to fall from this particular zone, and it did fail, but I could not take that trade because the move happened in the midnight and I was sleeping. I think I've talked about that in my previous video, right? So I had another POI around here, okay, and market went straight into my POI, but before it gave me the drop I was looking for, it took out external liquidity on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, it took out this external liquidity on the 4-hour time frame, and after that it began to drop. Guys, this analysis was very correct, and this move from here down to here that I forecasted was $94. Down to here was $144. Okay, on the lowest lot size account, but as fate will have it, on Tuesday when this move started playing out, I went out, and when I was going out, it didn't occur to me to check my charts and all of that. So it so happened that where I went, there was no network was very, very poor. Okay, and as this move was happening, I missed the old move, right? And it went straight into my TP. That's $94. When it got to my TP, I thought it would reverse. it didn't reverse, it kept shooting down. So if I had held that trade from here down to this place, that would have been $144. Even if I held it just to this place, that's $94. $94 in this economy is gold, is a lot of money. Okay, so then one thing you must know is that even if a trade doesn't go your way, you do not have to be, you don't have to panic, you don't have to be jittery. Okay, the most important thing is your knowledge. Once you have that knowledge, the market is going to present thousands of opportunities to you every single day. You just need to relax and expect the market to present opportunities to you when next they come. One thing you must come to terms with is that you cannot take all the entries, you can't catch all the moves, you can't take advantage of the moves. Your job is not to catch all the pips. Your job is to just catch the sufficient amount of pips that can give you reasonable money. It's no more than that, guys. Now, even though I missed this trade that would have given me $94 or $144 in case, I took other trades, and for the week I'm in serious profits. I'm in serious profit of more than ₦1 million. So what are we talking about? I think I need to drink water. Excuse me, please. So guys, welcome back. Yeah, I'm refreshed. Thank you very much. So I didn't take that trade, and one thing that I had done, that why I didn't weigh me down, was because I had worked on my psychology. So even that $94 that I missed on, despite the fact that I correctly analyzed the trade, it didn't really get to me. Okay, and I was able to make back my money. So you will not be able to take all the trades. It's not possible. There are thousands of moves in every pair, and I think I've discussed it on this channel that if you decide to focus on a lot of pairs, you will end up shortchanging yourself, because you're just going to be like an hunter who is aiming at everything in the forest. It's not going to kill anything. Aim at one and kill one. There's something we call in the forex market one shot, one kill. And I was telling a friend also in the course of the week that the pairs we trade, the asset we trade in the forex market is just like our wives, for those people that are married, or our girlfriends, our partners, the people that we're in a relationship with. Now, have you noticed that maybe when you are still scouting, when you are doing talking stage, if you're doing talking stage with a lot of people, you will not be focused. In fact, you will not know your left from your right. You will not know who you're supposed to be with, who you're supposed to you will not see them for who they are. You will really be confused. Even the Bible says it that let your eyes be single so that your body will be full of light. So in the forex market, your eyes also has to be single so that your account balance can be full of profits. Okay, so when you focus on one lady, you find out that you after some time you get to understand that lady. Okay, you get to understand her weakness, you get to understand her strength, you get to understand what she likes, what she does not like, you get to understand the times of the month that she doesn't want you to talk to her, that she acts up and all of that. And when she starts acting up, you won't really be pissed, you won't really be offended and all of that. But if you're dating a lot of women and all of them start acting up, you would think that all of them are bad. All of them are not bad, they're just going through their seasons. Do you understand? So that is just it in the forex market. If you stay on one pair, you understand that pair so much that when the pair is not giving you moves, you are not going to be bothered. Now look at this VIX 25 1S. When it touched here, I knew that it was going to buy. Okay, so I entered the buy here. I think I have that in my trade journal. Let me open my trade journal. Then my trade journal is here. Let me open my trade journal. Yes, so I think I have that in my trade journal. Okay, yeah, that VIX 25 I was talking about, this is the profits. Yes, as you can see, I caught it. It was a very sniper entry. Now, okay, this was it on the MetaTrader. This was the analysis of VIX 25. So this was VIX 50 that I picked earlier on. Okay, this was the VIX 25 one that I could not pick. Okay, that I didn't have network that day. Let me see. This was the before of that trade. I took this trade now. I took it. The trade we are looking for is what again? Let me check. Okay, VIX 25 one is. I took that trade. I took it. I know I took it. Oh, I didn't send it there. I probably did not send it to my trade journal. I didn't send it to my trade journal. Let me check if I can send it. Because that I took that trade. I knew that I took the trade. I know that I took the trade. Let me send it. 1 minute, guys. Just hold on for me. I'm going to send it from my phone right now. Yes, I've sent it. So that particular trade, I'm coming. 1 minute, guys. That particular trade I was talking about. Yes, I've seen it. I've seen it and I've sent it. So see, that particular trade I was talking about, I took it from this place and I held it, okay? And the first entry, as you can see here, this is $39. The other VIX25 was still running on $51. And as you can see, I started this account with just $1.22. So $39 on VIX25 1S, and it later moved to $50. As at this place, the VIX25 had closed in profit, okay? That's why this moved to 56. So I closed that at maybe $55 or something. But this VIX25 1S decided to misbehave. It broke a lower low, so it took me out of my trailing stop loss, but it started going up again. Blah 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 blah. Then I'm at the point of interest around somewhere around here. I don't know why I can't find it now. I'm at the point of interest around here, but it didn't come back to that point of interest. And when I saw this bullish move, this very impulsive move, I knew that something is going to happen from here, and I started trying to get in. And to just be very honest with you, some of the entries here, each stop loss I was taking out, some each break even and all of that. Right now it's not showing a clear entry, so I'll just wait. I'll just be patient for price to come into my point of entry, either here or here. Then we can swing it in the opposite direction. So that's that on the trades that I took this week. As you can see, VIX 51S is still running. If it goes to hit my take profit, that will be $130 with my 1 point. How much is there now? I think 1.5 or something. Okay, so if you want to learn how to take the trades that I take, my mentorship is still very much open. Send me a message and I will be willing to mentor you. Have a nice day, guys, and keep living in the atmosphere of profits.